Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've heard of Tome AI, then you're probably wondering, what is it? Well, today we're going to cover everything that you need to know about them. So what is Tome AI? Tome AI is a revolutionary AI-powered presentation creation tool launched in 2022, fundamentally transforming how people actually create and share visual stories. It's harnessing advanced artificial intelligence, including GPT-4 and DALL-E 2. Tome actually automatically generates complete visually stunning presentations from simple text prompts. It also is designed to save you significant time and effort. It automates the traditional labor-intensive processes of creating slide content, selecting design layouts, generating images, adding animations. Wow, it does a lot, all while maintaining professional quality and a narrative coherence. What does it offer? How does it actually work? So it creates coherent story-driven slide decks from brief user inputs using cutting-edge language models that understand context and flow. So basically what it does is it helps you generate lots of awesome content with very, very simple input. It also offers a wide range of professional styles and adaptive layouts. It can seamlessly match your personal or your brand aesthetics, and it allows you to link a whole bunch of integrations, so you can work effortlessly with Microsoft, PowerPoint, Google Slides, Figma, and it supports live web embeds for rich interactive content. Also, it enables real-time editing, easy sharing, and creates mobile responsive presentations accessible literally on any device. So if you've used it on your computer and you want to then forward it to somebody using it on their mobile device or the other way around, it's awesome. So why Tome AI? So it has fundamentally transformed presentation creation from manual design work into AI-powered storytelling, making professional-grade decks accessible to literally anyone, from students, creators, sales teams, corporate executives. And despite early challenges like limited export options and customization constraints, Tome actually successfully pivoted towards enterprise solutions. Today, it represents the future of AI-assisted work. It's fast, polished, narrative-focused, and it seamlessly integrates with live data and multimedia content.